What up guys, Ben Oberg here, making money online in 2020. I've done over $2.7 million in the last 12 months. I just want to share with you some of the habits, the rituals, and the strategies that I use to make money online. And I believe, and I know this to be true, if you take what I'm teaching on this video on how to make money online in 2020 and you actually implement it, I'm not promising those millions of dollars in results. I've worked so hard, I have a tremendous amount of work ethic, I've screwed up in a lot of different areas, but I do promise that if you implement what I'm going to be teaching on this video, how to make money online, you're going to be able to increase your ROI. You're going to be able to make more money online in 2020. So let's talk about this. What do you market? What do you sell? And I realize a lot of you guys on here might already have an online business. So I don't know. Maybe you are in, let me see if I can write the right direction here. That pen is horrible. We're going to switch pens. That's the first thing that we're going to do here. Maybe you are trying to make money online in e-commerce. Maybe you're trying to make money with affiliate or CPA marketing. Maybe you have a social media marketing agency. Maybe you have an app. Maybe you provide a professional service. Maybe you want to get into, or you are a coach. I'm not sure which one of those you are, or if it's any of them, if I'm hitting them, but here's the reality. In any one of these situations, you've really fundamentally got two different ways to make money online with them, okay? You're either driving traffic into them through advertising, or you're publishing content on social media that's attracting people to you, okay? It's one of those two ways. And can you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that pretty well, okay? It's one of those two ways. You're either hustling and hustling and hustling and hustling and putting content out there and attracting people, okay? Attracting people to you. Or you are running ads and then they are coming into you, okay? Here's the positives and the negatives. Obviously with ads, you're spending money and you have to test until you get enough data to figure out what's working, what's not, optimize what is working, and then scale up. And then you're constantly optimizing and improving your sales funnel or your process to increase your ROI, return on investment, return on ad spend, etc. With this method right here of networking, of putting content out there, of making the YouTube videos, of posting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, whatever, MySpace, obviously that's not a thing anymore. You get what I'm saying, all right? You've got to grind and hustle and put all this content out there and work people in your DMs and message people on Facebook and go into groups and try to make Facebook posts go viral and tell people you're going to message them a link and then take that link and message them and try to close them. That is a grind. This is a grind, okay? This is a grind, an absolute grind. And I love it because when you first get started, maybe you don't have the cash flow to bring your product or service to ads. Maybe you don't have the sales funnel where it's good enough to actually take it on the road and be able to acquire clients at a profit, all right? So you have to do this. I believe in doing both. I believe in doing both. And the reason is because I want a hedge. I want my ads to work for me. I want my ads to work for me. I want my ads to perpetually make money for me, especially when I'm sleeping, because when it's just you, okay, you're operating when you're awake. So let's just say like I go to bed at 11, I wake up at 7 a.m. If I did not have ads running for me around the clock, all right, the problem is my business is only working for me when I am up, all right? And between the hours of 11 and 7 a.m., 11 p.m., 7 a.m., I've got 8 hours where my business is dead, right? So what I want to do is I want to be able to leverage ads, but I also want to be able to still network and close deals. What I've found that works really well is I will use Facebook posts with a picture, okay? So a picture plus copy. And I'll use a picture that is of me or my business or whatever I'm doing, and I'll illustrate points in the copy. And I'll always hook in the first 3 or 4 lines because after that you have to click see more on Facebook, okay? And I will have a post that's like, the gurus don't want to tell you all the information. I mean, think about it, all right? Do you really think the guys making millions of dollars per year online are going to tell you all their secrets for free, let alone for $500 or $1,000 or something like that? Probably not. And the reality is, anybody telling you it's easy to make money online, and I used to live in my mom's basement and now I own a Lamborghini. Anybody telling you that, you know, you can do this simple 2-step process and go from nothing to a rich person and be on the Forbes 500 list is lying to you. The reality is it takes tons of effort, a tremendous amount of work, struggle, pain, testing, wasting money, spending money without the end in sight to get to the point where you're making millions of dollars. All right? I want to be forthright in saying that, and I want you to know that. I'm here to help you to be able to make money online. I want to prime you and have you know that, hey, it can be hard, it can be a struggle. But looking back, knowing what I know now, if I had known it back then, I would have been able to alleviate so much wasted time, money, and energy, and that's what I want to do for you. If you're interested in making money online in a way that actually works, where you can alleviate so much of those pain points and struggles, I'd like to help you. If you want that help, comment "Make Money Online" below. It's a great copy, and I had a good image, and people comment, and when they comment, I reply to the comment, "We'll message you." And then more people comment, I reply to the comment, "We'll message you." It makes the post go viral in the feed. Now I've got a whole bunch of leads that I can reach out to and network. And once again, this is a grind. It's free, but it's a grind because you're going out there into the depths of Facebook. You're going and posting on the YouTube community, doing the same thing. You're posting a picture on Instagram with the same thing, trying to get people to comment. You're making an Instagram story with a poll, and then everybody that votes, "Yes, I'd like to make money online," or "No, I want to do this," or whatever, you're messaging the people that vote on the poll, and you're working them in the DMs. You're going out searching hashtags relative to your niche about e-commerce, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, online coaching, high-ticket closing, e-commerce, and you're finding the people that comment on posts that have e-commerce products just like yours on Instagram. You're striking up conversations with them. "Hey, you know, I have that product and can sell it to you for less." It's a grind. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's a grind. But my mentality is I don't want to work smart or hard. I want to work smart and hard. So while the competition and everybody else in your niche is just going, "Hey, I want it easy, I want to run ads," or maybe they're just going, "Hey, I'm going to spend a couple hours a day here and I don't want to run ads," I want to do everything and more that they are not doing and that they're not willing to do. So I'm going to grind. I'm going to grind to make money online, and I'm going to have residual systems where I'm going to run ads to my funnel. People are going to buy, and when they don't buy, I'm going to retarget all the leads and try to get them to become buyers. I'm running both systems. I'm using both models, okay? What I want you guys to understand is that one always works whether you're asleep or not, and the other only works when you're awake. Hey, if you're brand new to the channel and you're loving this video so far, I promise I'm posting videos like this every single week. I'm screen sharing with you. I'm showing exact strategies. I'm teaching you sales funnels. I'm teaching you how to increase customer LTV, lifetime value, how to get paid more out of your clients, how to make them want to do business more with you and keep coming back. And I'm helping you build a wildly profitable online brand. Even if it's your brick and mortar you want to take online, you're a personal brand, you're doing affiliate marketing, you want a way to be able to stay behind the scenes, but you're looking for sustainable business. None of the hacks, none of the get rich quick in 1 week stuff. If you want a real sustainable online business and want something that works for generations and generations, and you want to be able to make money online, I'm your guy, Ben Oberg. I encourage you and I invite you to subscribe to the channel right now, okay? Now that we've gone over that, I'm doing both, okay? I'm doing the grind / networking, and I'm posting the content, and I'm running the ads. Now, here's what I love. As I'm doing both of these, okay, I'm running ads into my products and services. I'm collecting emails. When I post content, all right, for example, on YouTube right here, every single minute, every single subscriber I get, I can retarget and I can place ads only in front of them. These are people that have watched my videos. They're somewhat warmed up to me. They know me. The ice is broken a little bit. They're not completely cold. So I can pay to get in front of them more with a specific ad and bring them to my products and sell them, my products and services. Now at the same time, I'm collecting emails from all the content that I'm posting, from the ads that I'm putting out, getting into my sales funnels. I'm collecting emails. And I'm collecting emails through networking with people on Instagram, on Facebook, in the YouTube community, all right? And all of these emails, I can retarget them. I can upload email lists and say, "Hey, YouTube, hey, Facebook, here's an email list." Cross-reference these emails against people that have YouTube or Facebook accounts and run ads only to them. So I'm able to create extreme amounts of resourcefulness, and this helps increase my ability to make money online. If you're loving this video so far, you're picking up value, And I imagine for a lot of you guys, it's starting to trigger little thoughts. You're like, oh my gosh, I love this. I can kind of see the picture now. Maybe you don't get it completely yet, but you're like, these are the things I feel like people aren't telling or teaching me, okay? Now, here's the thing. Most people's concept of making money online is buy traffic or tell people about your product or service, or just make a post on Instagram and then you wonder why they didn't click the link in your bio and buy it. It's called sales. It's called sales process. Would you buy from you? With the current level of work ethic and commitment you're putting in, with the current level of professionalism in your business, would you buy from you? Okay? Let's put it this way. Okay, you're my customer for a second. And just think of whatever it is that you want in your head. Let's say that you want to buy a course on making money online. Okay? And this is what I did to you. I know you saw my post. Why didn't you buy my course? I know you saw my post. Did you buy my course yet? What the fuck? There was no sales process there. I don't know who you are. I don't know why you want to make money online. I don't know what your hot buttons are. I don't know where you failed or not failed in the past. I don't know what you've spent money on, what you've tried doing, what you like, what you enjoy, what you don't enjoy. I've done no fact finding. I've not introduced myself to you. You don't know me. I don't know you. You don't know if you can trust me. And you literally think that you can make a post and say, click link in bio. You literally think you can message somebody on Facebook and just send them a link? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. That is like walking up to a giraffe and ejaculating on its rib. Okay? It makes zero sense. Why would you do that? You wouldn't. Plus, you'd probably end up in jail. Or worse. Or maybe the giraffe would like demolish you. I don't know. I don't know what they do in those situations. I don't. I know how to make money online. I don't know. So most people are like, okay, traffic, send people to link. And then they buy. No. 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 You attract people through the content that you put out. You educate. You teach. You have conviction when you educate and you teach. You provide value. And this creates all of this right here. Creates attraction. People are now attracted to what you do. If they come to you, they start asking questions. If they comment on your posts, that's method one. You need to constantly be implementing. Method two is networking and outreach. This is where you're looking at the people that comment on posts in your niche. This is where you're looking at people that subscribe to channels that teach about what you teach. This is where you network and reach out to people that follow Instagram accounts that do exactly what you're already doing. This is where you look at people that comment on Instagram posts teaching about your health program or the different things in your niche that you're an expert of. And you reach out to them. Hey, you start conversations with them. Hey, you make some money. Goes down into DM. Hey, don't know why I did any of that. That's two. And then three, you run ads. You run ads. You hook people with an ad, all right? You walk them through the ad. What you want to do is teach who, what, why, how. Who you are, what you have to offer, why they need it, how they can get it, and not necessarily in that order. I usually start with a hook. You know, it's something visually or, you know, an audio part that I'm saying. It's something that's happening in the beginning of the ad or something that I'm saying or a pattern interrupt that would cause them not to skip the ad. And then in the next few seconds, I'm gonna dive a little bit deeper and I'm gonna try to relate as quick as possible so the person that's watching this ad feels like I'm talking to them. And I'm gonna pull them in. I'm gonna go over the story. I'm gonna relate more. The struggles, the trials, the tribulation, the pain points, the failures, relating. The big epiphany, the idea I had and how it changed, and now I get to do this, and then introduce. And if you want to be able to do this, I have this thing, okay? What you have to offer. It does X, Y, and Z, feature benefits. And then that's why they need it. And then how they can get it. You can click the link, you can do this, whatever your call to action is, you run ads, okay? Those are the three methods to making money online. And here's the most important thing. And this is a little bonus deal. By the way, smash the like button if you haven't already. Smash it, smash it, smash it, smash it. This button right here, smash it, please. I appreciate every single one of you guys that subscribes to my channel. I appreciate all you guys that come here to learn all the valuable content that I'm dropping now. And I really appreciate you guys actually taking the time and wanting to learn from me. And if you do want to learn more about making money online, link is in the description. You can get your hands on my web class, which will teach you how I've been able to start a wildly profitable online business. We did 2.7 million in 2019. 20 million is our goal in 2020. I'm really excited about this year. I'm going to be throwing down so much more content here on YouTube, and I'd like to get you to be able to participate on my web class. It's free. Not going to cost you anything but your time. There's been thousands of students that have already been through here, and they've produced millions of dollars in income, okay? This is the leading training for being able to make money online, specifically with social media. I'm going to teach you how, and you can do it with your brick and mortar. If you don't have an online business and you want to start one, it all works. Now, the last thing that I'm going to say, here's a little bonus, and I love it. I freaking love this, so don't go anywhere, okay? Here's the ultimate test. If you can take cold people that have never heard of you, and you can run ads, and you can turn them into sales, even if on the front end you only break even, that is a beautiful thing. You have a business that can sustain. You have great potential here. So what this means is, if I can spend 1K to people that are cold, run ads to them, and turn them into 1K in sales, front end, without selling other products or services, just one sale, golden. Because then it's the money that's made on the back end through retargeting ads, emails, follow-up, etc. Getting them your upsells. That is where the money's made on the back end. That's for another video. Smash the like button. Please let me know in the comments the most valuable part of this video that you've found. I love to see the comments. I reply to every single one of them. Truly want to help you guys. So let me know in the comments the most valuable part of this video that you found. Get your hands on my web class. Links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.